Hey everybody, welcome to Red Clay Oval. Thanks for watching. We're back at the shop tonight. The guys are working on several odd and end things that they're working on, so I'm just going to follow them around and bug them a little bit. So thanks for watching. Alright, so we got, what, 4 new tires, Jason?
4 new tires and adjusted all the brakes on the trailer.
Good deal.
Trying to prevent blowout this week.
So like when it blew out, did you like the trailer fishtail, or did you know it blew out? Or
No, the first one didn't know. Just heard a little noise and looked in the mirror and seen it. Then the second one going down the 4-lane, we heard it blow out, so we had to go over on the shoulder of the road and borrow a tire.
Screw it off, Brent.
nope.
Start your feet.
Jason, what you doing?
He's wrestling. He's wrestling with this tire.
Yeah. Nice. We got to get a jack.
Brianna, why don't you get down there and help him? What you doing under there, Jason?
I'm just tightening the shock bolt up that I had loose before we forget. Trying to prevent all failures this week.
Please.
We're going to check all the bolts, tighten all the bolts. The fuel pump is going to be here tomorrow.
Oh, good. Still planning on racing tomorrow?
If everything, if the pump gets in, we get it put on in time to go to Brassbound, Tri-County. That's the plan.
What are you doing now?
I am top secret
Oh.
adjuster.
Oh. Galen's taking my heater. He's trying to dry his tires so Bryson can grind them. Jason's put Brenda work under there.
Put that on there. All right, now pull it through. A little more. A little more. A little bit more. That's good. All right, good job.
Good job, Brand.
Do it hard.
Yeah.
Oh!
That feels good, doesn't it? I'm not hungry.
What? Get me that tire clip right here.
starting to make money yet?
Huh?
You starting to make money?
Yeah.
How much?
All right, this is the next day back up here at the shop. Last night we got a lot of stuff done. We didn't hardly get everything done we need to get done. Plus we was waiting on our fuel pump to get here anyway. So today the fuel pump did come, and I'll take you in here and we'll look at it. Got this ProCam fuel pump. It's a 15 psi alcohol fuel pump, and that supposedly, hopefully, is going to take care of our problems. That is a 15 psi at wide open throttle, so that should do away with our fuel starvation problems for the Willys carburetor. So we'll get this thing. I'll get up here under the car and I'll try to get up the camera in there and let you see what we're doing. But we'll get this put on and we'll try this thing out. The only bad thing about the fuel pump, there's not really a way to test it to see if it's going to fix the problem. So I guess we'll put it on and go to the track, and this weekend hopefully it fixes the problem. If it don't, we'll load it up and come back and do something different. But let's get this fuel pump put on. Alright, we're down here under the car. Let me show you our setup we have. This is the old fuel pump. Let's see if I can get the camera in there. That is a Carter billet aluminum fuel pump. Don't have any issues with it other than it's just don't the fuel pump don't have enough pressure to run the Willys carburetor. The Willys carburetor don't have a float and seat in it like a normal carburetor. So that's the whole issue. It's a free-flowing carburetor, I guess you'd say. So you have to have more volume, more PSI to run it. And that's a belt-driven there, and it's got a sweet adapter to run a mechanical fuel pump. But we'll get this Carter fuel pump took off and get this ProCam put on, and we'll see what the results is. All right, everybody, we got the car completed. The new fuel pump is on it. We've cranked it. Like I said earlier, there's no way of telling if it's fixed the problem until we hit the track. That's the only downfall. So we should know tomorrow. We was going to race tonight, but luckily they postponed it till tomorrow night due to the rains we'd had this week. So that gave us an extra night to get the fuel pump on. So it's on the car. Hopefully it'll run good tomorrow night, and then we'll see. And as always, we thank y'all for watching, tuning in to us. We're doing the best we can. Just stay with us, and luck's got to change sooner or later. So always like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you at the Red Clay Oval.